had the time, if I had the time, I would just waste away every second. When I have the time, when I have the time, it would be the farthest thing from wasting my life. If I had the time, if I had the time, I would just waste away every second. If I had the time.
Holy shit. Thank you so much, everybody. Holy crap. This is pretty insane. We're Asparagus Soop. Leah, can I have a tiny bit more of my vocals in my folder, please? Thank you so much. Give it up for Leah, our amazing sound person, everybody. She has been incredible tonight. She's made every band sound amazing tonight. Give it up for our supports as well. About Yesterday. Yeah! Woohoo! Vendors as well. Woohoo! And of course, Rapid recently. Woohoo! Yeah, we're stoked because we're just able to put on a show with some of our favourite artists in Perth and just get to enjoy it. It's fucking awesome. Okay, I'm going to shut up now. We're going to play some more music. I don't know if you guys heard, but we released an EP recently. That last one was off it, and we're going to play another one off it right now. Sing along, feel free to have a boogie. There's a lot of space here. You can take a big step forward and you can jump around a bit if you want. It's up to you guys, but I'd love to see a bit of movement out there. We're moving.
like I'm doing just fine.
Thank you so much. I'd like to introduce a friend that we have on stage with us tonight, Morgan Louise Grieve. Morgan is one of the most amazing humans in my life, and I'm grateful to share the stage with her right now. So we met at university, and she's a very talented multi-instrumentalist. She came and played on the EP, and we're lucky enough to have her on the stage with us tonight. And yeah, very special one off the floor. Thank you, Morgan. She's absolutely killing it. Check out her other 50 million bands as well, and hopefully she'll have some of her solo stuff out soon because it's very good. I need to see some more movement to this one, everybody.
Smell my shit as I come home. Sit around just for a while. Never thought I'm not fun. I let out and I quit smile. Watch TV, TNT. You go out drinking with your friends. You enjoy the company. But that's where the story ends.
Thank you very, very much. This is the next song we're about to play. We would like to say it was written by us, but we would be lying. But I would like to invite a very special guest up to the stage. It's another very, very important human in my life, Mr. Joe Caddy. Can everybody give Joe Caddy a welcome? Joe is the lead singer of Figurehead, and he does his own solo music. His album, Learning to Tell the Truth, came out last year. You need to check it out. It's fucking amazing. But he's going to help me sing this next one. If you know the words, or if you learn the words along the way, please feel free to sing along. This is a very lyrical song for fans of Bob Dylan and just some of the most amazing songwriters out there in the world.
Give it up for Asparagus, Soop. Listen to the absurdity of human existence.
Give it up for Joe Caddy!
Sorry guys, the balloon defeated me then. Oh shit. I'm unprepared, I've got a tune, guys. Yeah, we've got merch at the back, thank you Jared. This is the first drop of merch. Lewis, when was the last time we got fucking merch? I think that's right. I think that's very accurate. And your brother? Yeah, some of the OG Soop merch over there. Hell yeah, shout out Elaine and Fraser, fuck yeah. Still not even ready yet. I'll be better, sorry guys. We're gonna play a couple of brand new unreleased songs that will hopefully be coming out in the near future. So yeah, we have no idea when, so don't get too excited. Chill with the EP for a little bit, but...
So buy some merch and you'll be able to get it out sooner.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Making music's fucking expensive. Lyra, I'm sorry to be a pain. Can I get a little less guitar, please, and a little bit more vocals? Thank you so much. We don't get to play our own shows very often, so we kind of we're like, let's have as much fun with it as we can. My partner Holly did some animations for us, and she's amazing. She also designed the EP artwork and the Soop team. We've worked with so many amazing artists over this journey. So many people, just different people, design merch for us, have taken photos for us, have just done everything for us. So we were very, very appreciative. But yeah, shout out to Holly for that. That's awesome. So cool. And I'm a massive fucking nerd, so I got together a bunch of video game clips and was like, hell yeah, let's have some Yakuza takedowns behind us. Okay, fuck, I need to stop talking and play my music. Sorry, guys. It's another new one. bullshit. This is such a crazy night for us. We've been working towards this for so long, and God, we're so appreciative of every single one of you that have chosen to spend your Saturday night with us, and these other amazing artists and all the amazing people in this room. So just, we love you. We wouldn't be here if you guys weren't coming to these shows and supporting local music. So thank you so much. It means the world to us as artists, and hopefully it helps get us that tiny little bit further. Because without you guys, we're just boys on the stage playing to an empty room. Massive shout out to our manager Nora as well. God, without her, we definitely would not have this many people in this room. Big up to you, Nora. Yeah, she pushes us in so many ways and gets shit done and makes us get shit done. So, yeah, thank you a million. You're amazing. Okay, fucking dance now. Thank you guys. Enjoy your beers, but stay hydrated. This is a perfect example of what I meant.
I'm not fucking tired. I'm just a little bit thirsty, that's all.
She looks after us. This one's for my old man. I don't know where he is, but this one's for you, Dad.
wanna spend my lifetime. Sing it! To sunshine. On an ocean hillside. I know I'll be trouble. I wanna spend my time sunshine and inside. I know spend my lifetime, yeah, drinking beers.
You guys have got beautiful singing voices. Thank you for helping us out with that one. It's getting to that time of night where we're gonna have to say goodbye soon, guys. We're really, really sorry. If you know this one, sing along.
I wake up to the sound of muffled screams. The lights are on, the TV banging, bleeding. I know I've wasted another day on sleep, but I swear to God the whole time I've been dreaming. Far away and becoming someone else, but it disappears as soon as my eyes open. Maybe you will still look at me the same, 'cause even though I've changed my clothes, I'm still broken. Safety, wasted, happy, crazy. See my eyes racing. Sing it, everybody. I guess we'll play one more. This one's for the OG Soop fans. That's for all of you, but especially the ones who've been there from the start. Without you there by my side, and I'll still trying to find the line. Mr. Lewis, whip everybody. Videos and memories, and unreasonable thought. Tracking things away, trying to live without the constant reminder of your insecurities today. I love the way you take my breath away, the waves break my back. Can't watch it, but I can't stop it. I'm trying to run with it, another big day in the dark. I'm a cat, just enough to try broken glass in the crowded bar, blue red broken, all busting up my Spotify playlist. Accompanied by your sadness, now she's the one. When she buys your Coke and rum, baby says don't mention it when you pull out that one. And every time I'm becoming tired, tap on the in the floor, starts passing out on the floor, spreading good shit. They do what I'm asking to say, just to get me off the ground, and to make it up and sound. Chucking things away, no one can play the games that they feel. It's a fucking lie, it's a fucking lie. I love the way it goes through everything, every way it's breaking my back. Suffocate the right to say, but I can't say that. I can't say right. With the tendrils of power, another big day in the dark. I'm a cat through the night, still just enough to try to oh, I'm stuck up there. But I keep turning it. I'm such a mess! streaming the EP. Get home safely. Be kind to one another. And thank you so much for coming out. Big thank you to the Bird for having us. I love you all. Thank you.